Right, this is from our friend Leonard.
This?
Yep. Trusty fishing knife, right?
Mm-hmm.
I like Leonard.
Okay. Yeah, Leonard's a cool guy. And he sent this just for you. Alright? Well, you're gonna have to find out, aren't you?
I don't know what you
Is it bigger than a bread box?
I don't know.
think of.
Wow, there's all kinds of stuff in here. Wow. Look at that!
Dinosaur?
Let me see.
And I got one too.
You want one too?
Yeah, that's a Hot Wheels ID one.
I thought that was for Paisley only.
Well, no, this
Why do you get one?
because he sent me one.
There's
so
two
you
in
can
there.
you can open that one
Wait, now?
if you want to. Sure. Show everybody how to open them up.
How do you rip a Hot Wheel?
There you go.
Oh, did that hurt? Didn't hurt, did it?
Open it up.
Can you turn around so we can see?
Show mommy.
Who taught you how to rip open Hot Wheels?
Grampy?
Yeah.
He doesn't do it very often.
I do it.
Nice.
Does Grampy collect Hot Wheels, Paisley?
Mm-hmm.
Does Paisley collect Hot Wheels? Yeah. All right. Show everybody.
We gotta see the top. Cool. There you
Oh
go.
look.
I'm gonna open it. I'm gonna open it.
Oh, and a Shark Cruiser.
And that. Yeah, sorry.
Ooh, look at that one. That's Hot Hubs. That's a bat one.
What do we say? A bat?
Yeah.
Oh.
There you go. What else?
Hold my
What
card.
about the Leonard son? Wow. Ooh, look at that. The Turbola. And another Shark Cruiser.
Open.
Rip them open. Show mommy.
Does it work better when you stick your tongue out? Show Mama.
Paisley, turn around.
Show mommy.
Concentrating.
Oh, you want me to do it? There we go. He's over here.
I know you're shy.
Rip it open.
Paisley. Look at Nana.
Thanks, Leonard.
Say thank you.
Hi.
You're shy.